Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Quarsi Protik review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about the software called Quarsi Protik. So this is the Quarsi Protik review, and right now we are on the sales page, then we have the demo video, and then we have the login access of the software. We'll start with the demo video. It's a 3 minutes long demo video, so let's watch it. Okay, now I think, can I maximize it or not? I'm not sure. I don't see the big button. Yeah, I can't maximize it. Anyway, so they're talking about how to create a TikTok video using somebody else's TikTok video. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can do that. It's legal or not, because if you upload somebody else's TikTok videos, your account might be banned or demonetized. I mean, I don't use TikTok, so I have no idea, but I think that you're not supposed to use somebody else's videos and then use it on your channel. Okay, and they're talking about you go on maybe somebody's channel here, like for example they're taking the Mr. Beast TikTok channel. They have selected their video, one of the videos, and you can customize using the software. So you can add some elements, text and everything on top of the video. Okay, and then you can upload the same video on your TikTok channel and then get some traffic, theoretically, if you believe in such things, then only. So yes, the software is all about YouTube videos, TikTok videos. Go and get some TikTok videos and upload them on your TikTok channel and make some money in your dreams while you're sleeping, and good luck with your fantasy and orgasm of making money online. That's all I can say. Let's wait for this demo video to finish, and after that I'll start. So yeah, the software does the customization, I guess. It creates these short videos, vertical videos, which you can use for TikTok. You will have the celebrities here. So I don't know, why would you use somebody else's video? That's question number one for me. Why every time? I mean, why do you want somebody? Let's not talk about it. You're not worth my time. I wanted to say that, do you want to do it yourself, or you want somebody else to do it? Why would you take somebody else's videos? Do you want somebody else to come and fuck your wife, or you would rather do it yourself? The same thing happens when it comes to your content. Would you like to create your content yourself, or would you like to go and steal somebody else's content and then get a copyright strike or something else? Why can't you fucking do it yourself, man? Why can't you do it? Why can't you make your own TikTok videos if you want to? Why can't you make your own YouTube videos if you have to? Why stealing? Why from day one you think about stealing? Why you start thinking about shortcuts from day one? I don't get it. Let's get back to the sales page. You have seen the demo video. So you know what the software is going to do for you. It's going to create these short vertical videos by stealing somebody else's videos, and then those videos will be good for nothing to you. Quarsi Protik, game-changing cloud-based app enables social media newbie to create profitable trending content without ever having to show his own face on video. All you need was an internet connection and a few minutes per day. Revolutionary technology, works anywhere in the world. Entire TikTok marketing and automation suite, drag and drop pro TikTok editing, one-click opportunity discovery, automates traffic and audience growth, delivered results for all affordable beta testers, includes 365 days of TikTok content ideas. No other tool required, 100% beginner friendly, 100% risk free with the money back guarantee, pay once only, and that's it. So what I will do is, I will leave the link of the sales page below my YouTube video somewhere here. So go below my YouTube video, click on the link that says grab Quarsi Protik copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page. Check out the sales page, and then it's up to you. Because in my recommendation, don't buy this. This will not make you money. What will make you money is your own labor, your own hard work, manual work. Okay. If you go below my video, you have two methods, forex trading and this traffic Jarvis. We'll talk about these two things in the end, how you can make real money without going through all this nonsense here. Okay. So for now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and content reviewed, you may click on super thanks. However, subscribe is free, like is free, do that. It's free for your own good. And we'll come back to these links and show you how to make money, because you can see the machine here. This machine makes me money. Okay, so we'll get back to all of this in the end. And let's see if we have to check out or waste any for more minutes on the sales page. Doesn't look like. Same sales page with some chicks. Control is yours, chick is yours, dick is yours. Yeah, cool. Go take a nap, or you can go and fuck some chicks tonight in your dreams. Frequently asked questions: is Quarsi Protik based in the cloud? Yes. Are there any monthly fees? No. Is there a money back guarantee? 30 days. Quarsi beginner friendly? Yeah. Cool, man. Cool. Alright, no problem. You have seen the demo, you have seen the sales page. Now this is what dashboard. I have no interest in doing anything here. Okay. In the name of training, what do we have here? Let's see. It's not even opening. Is it open now? Yeah.
Welcome to this demo.
Hang on. Who asked you to make a noise? Okay. They have the demo video and they have some training, I guess. Now, yeah, you are supposed to, let's say, click on this video and start customizing it, start adding the, what happened? Doing nothing. Let's try this trick here. When I click on edit, nothing happens. Cool. We are good to go. We are not good to go, actually. So we are supposed to click on this edit button here, and then we're supposed to add some customization. I mean, unless I'm doing something wrong here. Maybe I have to connect my account first. Let's see. I don't know. Then what you can do is you can paste your TikTok videos directly on Facebook if you connect your Facebook account, and then you can do blast here. You can be some jihadi and some terrorist, and you can do some blast here online. Okay, I don't know, man. Right, so it's wasting my time, nothing more. Come on. Why am I clicking on this again and again? All right, so my last word, don't buy. It's a piece of something garbage quality. Okay, because why I'm saying all this, because if you check the profile of the vendor here, and this gentleman has been selling you a lot of Quarsi things: Quarsi PLR, Quarsi Course Pro, Quarsi Sochi, Quarsi Mail, and now God knows what else. 8 so far in this account, and the stars are 1.9, so 2 star out of 5, which means these products are not good quality, low quality. Okay. Plus, that's not the only problem. Problem is that they have 22 upgrades. You can see here, you have to pay them more money. So you buy in 17, then you pay more for what? Nobody knows. Maybe you pay for peacocks. Peacock, right? OTOs. Front end is this. TikTok video builder, that's it. Yeah. And yeah. Front end, OTO 1, 2, 3. So here you go. Visuals, more clear. This is front end, OTO 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Feast your eyes. Oranges, man. Peacock. Okay. They have no intention to help you. This is a low quality software. It helps you to create some vertical videos. Software for now, maybe I'm not able to use it, but let's see if I have to connect something here. Connect FB and Instagram. Why do I have to connect my FB? I should be able to make videos normally without connecting anything, right? Right. So if I click on this thingy here, edit, it doesn't do anything. As of now, it doesn't do anything. I'm not sure if they will fix something tomorrow or not. I don't know. Okay. This is what I have. So when I click on edit button here, nothing happens. And even if it happens, who cares? Okay. Now my review is done. I only come and make these reviews. Reason 1, to help you to save your money. Reason 2, to tell you what will make you money. Okay. Now the first link says here, make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Forex trading is simple like this here. It's not simple, it's complicated if you try to do it manually. Okay. What we do is we will be setting up a virtual machine. On that virtual machine, we will be setting up the graph. Then we will be setting up a software on this graph, and I will be giving the settings to that software, and then that software will be doing the trading on our behalf automatically. Okay. The concept is simple: buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. That's it. That is how it's going to work. But it will be done on automation using that software. Okay. Now come on the bottom here, click on the first link, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. Watch the video there to understand what this method is all about. There are 2 videos, option 1, option 2 on the syndicate page. Watch them till the end. Then you will know what this thing is all about. And after that, if you want to get started or you will have any questions, you will be able to contact me on Skype. Do not contact me before watching those 2 videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Now, the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly, because in this you do not have to do anything. All of this what I'm talking about, setting up the machine, the graph, the software and everything, I will be managing your account on your behalf, and you will be keeping 60% weekly. I will be keeping 40% profits weekly. Profits I'm talking about, okay? Profits mean if this system doesn't make money, then I don't make money, you don't make money. So I'm confident that it will make money, and then you keep 60%, I keep 40%, okay? More details when you go and watch those 2 videos. Second link says here, make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I'm doing right now. Means if you want to come and make these YouTube videos, grow your YouTube channel, or maybe grow your email list for free, do affiliate marketing, or make these reviews, then you can go and get Traffic Jarvis. Because right now when you're watching my video, I have made some money already from my YouTube video, because you have seen some ads in this video, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized, so whether you buy something from me or not, I have made some money already from this YouTube video. And for this, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. With the help of Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to get them in 2 weeks only, okay? So in case you want to replicate exactly what I'm doing on YouTube, go get Traffic Jarvis. If you don't want to work on YouTube, then go for this this for autopilot method. The difference between the first method and the second method is that the first method is totally on autopilot, where you don't have to even lift your finger. But in Traffic Jarvis, you have to work manually. A lot of work will be required. Now, choice is yours. You can do both. You can do one of them. Okay, I do both because I have time, and I'm here doing 10 years of work in 5 years only. My goal is whatever you will be doing in 15 years, I want to get that much work done in 5 years only, and I'm on it. I want to retire before 38 years, before 39 years. Right now, I'm 32 point something. In next 5 years, I have to retire. Max, I have to retire by the age of 39 years. Understand? So I am working non-stop. I want to get the 10 years of work within 5 years. So for example, whatever will take you 10 years to do, I am going to get it done in 4 or 5 years. That's the speed I have when I'm working online. It's a business. You do it because nobody else will. So again, now you have all the options. So Quarsi Protik, you have seen that it's only a TikTok video creator, which does not even work as of now. And all these things coming on Varia Plus, they are low quality, so they will want more money from you. So the intentions are not honorable. They want your money, that's all, okay? In case if your end goal is only to make money on the internet, then go and subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. These 2 things, these 2 buttons will not make you money, but they will help you to save your money because you will be watching my videos regularly then, okay? Subscribe, like, it's all free. And check out these 2 options. First one, if you don't want to work. Second one, if you want to work on YouTube. And in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, You might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change, these numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training, and this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product, so that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for the rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.